Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we will see if you are unable to open certain pages of Windows security app, then how to fix it. First I will illustrate you the problem. I have settings app open and I am in Windows security section. Then I click virus and threat protection or any other particular section, and then I received your IT administrator has limited access to some areas of this app. Contact IT help desk for more information. You can get this error with any of this section of Windows security app. So we will see how to fix this problem. This is basically the issue occurs basically due to some group policy restrictions applied by your system administrator or yourself. So we have to identify that group policy restriction so that we can fix this issue. So the solution is, first we will try to identify the group policy restrictions applied on the machine. For that we will press Windows plus R and type rsop.msc, and it will open resultant set of policy. So it will show you what group policy restrictions are applied. In the resultant set of policy, we will go to administrative templates, and as we are facing issue with Windows security, we will check the Windows security section, and here we found that hide the virus and threat protection area policy setting is enabled, and this is basically the main reason for the error you are getting. So we have confirmed here that this group policy setting is applied, but we cannot configure it from here. So for that we will open group policy editor by running gpedit.msc command. Okay, so group policy editor is now open. Now we have to go to the same path, that is administrative templates, Windows component, Windows security, and we have located Windows virus and threat protection area, and we can see the policies enabled here. So we will just double click on it and set it to not configured. Okay, and click on apply followed by OK. So the policy setting is now not configured. We will close group policy editor now and update the group policy settings on our system. For that we will run gpupdate/force command. So as you can see, computer policy is now updated. So we will check if the issue is now resolved. So we will try to open virus and threat protection from settings app, and as you can see, the error no longer appears and the issue is resolved. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you still face the issue, do let me know via your comments. Do like it, share it, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.